we're going to say this boy is first, the girl is second, this boy is third, the boy wearing the hat is fourth, and the girl with long hair is fifth. Now, I want you to find your crayons, and I want you to take your red crayon and color the boy who is first red. So I'm just going to put a few marks on him, and I'll show you what that looks like. We're going to mark him red. So if you can see here, I marked his shirt red. Okay. Now we're going to color the girl fifth. The girl who is fifth, we're going to mark her shirt orange. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Hold up your orange and mark the girl who is fifth orange. Okay, look right there. I marked the girl fifth orange. Okay, now we're going to find the person in third. We're going to find the person in third, and we're going to mark the person in third yellow. So find your yellow crayon, hold up your yellow, and mark the person in third yellow. First, second, third. Yes, the boy with his arms crossed is third. So we're going to mark him yellow. See how I marked his pants yellow? Great. Now we're going to find our green crayon, and we're going to mark the person in fourth green. Let's count again. First, second, third, fourth. The person in fourth will be green. Let me show you. I'm going to mark him green. Okay. Now I want you to hold up your blue crayon. Here's my blue. I want to find the person in second and mark the person in second blue. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, mark the person in second blue. So here's what it looks like. I marked her blue. Great. Okay, now we're going to come down to the children who are lined up at the swings. Okay, there's a girl, a boy with a hat, a girl holding a balloon, another boy, and a girl holding a puppet. We are going to find the person in fifth and mark the person in fifth orange. Let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Find the person in fifth and mark the person in fifth orange. Okay, find your green crayon. Here we go. Find the person in fourth and mark the person in fourth green. First, second, third, fourth. And mark them green. Okay, I'll give you just a second to do that. And hold up your red crayon. We're going to find the person who is first in line, and mark the person first in line red. Okay, I'll give you a second to do that. Okay, hold up your yellow crayon. With your yellow crayon, we want to mark the person third in line yellow. Third in line yellow. Remember, start right here at the beginning. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Mark the person in line third yellow. And then hold up your blue crayon and mark the person second in line blue. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Mark the person second in line blue. Let me show you mine and make sure yours looks like mine does. Okay, we've got first red, second blue, third yellow, fourth green, and fifth orange. You're doing great. Okay, we're going to come down to the hopscotch. We're going to mark these children also. We're going to find the person who is third. We're going to mark the person who is third yellow. Find your yellow and mark the person who is third yellow. Okay, find your orange and mark the person who is fifth orange. Remember, if you need to count, start at the beginning. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Mark the person who is fifth orange. Person fifth is holding a ball. Okay, find your red crayon. Mark the person who is first in line red. First in line should be red. The person who is first in line is just about to jump on the hopscotch game. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Find your green crayon. You're going to mark the person fourth in line green. Fourth in line green. Let's count again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. The person fourth in line will be green. That's the boy with his hands on his hips wearing the striped shirt. Then find your blue crayon and mark the person second in line blue. Second in line blue. Let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yes, the girl wearing the hat is second in line. Okay, I'm going to show you mine. Make sure yours looks like that. The boy in the beginning of the line is first, red. The girl second, wearing a hat, is blue. The girl third with the pigtails is yellow. The boy with his hands on the hip is fourth, and he is green. And then the girl holding the ball is fifth, and she is orange. Okay, when you're done with that, we want you to flip your paper over to the back. Okay, here is what the back looks like. I want you to listen to directions. Okay, find the person who is first in line and circle the person who is first in line. I'm going to draw a green circle around the person first in line. Then hold up your blue crayon. Okay, they're starting right here. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. The girl who is first is holding the soccer ball. Find the person who is fifth in line and take your blue crayon and put an X on the person who is fifth in line. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yes, the girl wearing the green dress is fifth in line. I put an X on the girl wearing the green dress. She is fifth. Okay. With your red crayon, I want you to draw a line under the girl the person who is seventh in line. Let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Person seventh in line. We're going to underline that person with a red crayon. Okay. Great. Now we're going to come down to the ducks, and the ducks are headed to the pond. And so this duck is the duck that is first. I want you to circle the duck that is first with an orange crayon. Okay. I want you to find the duck that is ninth. Let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. And take your blue crayon and put an X on the duck that is ninth in line. Okay. Now take your yellow crayon and draw a line under the duck who is fifth in line. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. We're going to underline the duck that is fifth in line. And the yellow is very hard to see, but you can underline the duck who is fifth in line. Okay, the last two. We'll come back and do the last two in just a moment. Okay, here's what I want you to do. Find the frog that is fifth in line. And circle the frog that is fifth in line. Okay, and put an X with your blue crayon on the frog who is first in line. Remember, the frogs are jumping toward the lily pad, so here is the first frog. And then draw a line under the frog who is seventh in line. Use your green crayon. Draw a line under the frog who is seventh in line. So don't forget to count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th. Okay, and then we have sheep. The sheep are walking toward the barn. Here's the barn. The sheep are walking toward the barn. You are going to find the second sheep and circle the sheep that is in line second. So we're going to start right here. First, second. Circle the second sheep. Okay, now with your orange crayon. Sorry, with your orange. Now find the sheep that is sixth, and we're going to put an X on the sheep that is sixth. So let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We are going to put an X on the sheep that is sixth with our red crayon. And then with our green crayon, we are going to find the sheep who is ninth in line, and we are going to draw a line under the sheep who is ninth in line. Let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. You're right. That is the sheep who is almost at the end. He is ninth in line. Okay, if you'll check my paper, you can see what yours should look like. Okay, if you have